My name's Kevin Richardson. Most people know me as the Lion Whisperer. I didn't like the fact that there were these cats in cages. I wanted to give them a little bit more than that quality of life. And so I started pioneering certain things at the park I was working at. One of those things was taking the lions out of their enclosures and letting them walk in the greater area of the park amongst the animals. And so that's how Meg and Amy started their life. They were pretty free in the sense that when we'd take them out, they could do whatever they wanted. To see the lions doing what lions do, for me, was exhilarating. It made me realize that there was a different way to work with these predators in captivity. Meg and Amy and me have a history. It goes back to when they were born. They were rejected by their mother, and she actually just chucked them in a water dish. What I find quite interesting is Meg's love of water, considering what happened to her as a baby. When I call Meg and she comes swimming, and I see in her face going, "Are you going to catch me? You know, if I come to you, are you going to catch me?" It's an unspoken language where she looks at me, I look at her, and we know. That's trust. I firmly believe that if I never had got Meg and Amy back, that they would have landed up in some shape or form in the canned lion hunting market. Either being lionesses that were used for breeding, for cubs, for the canned hunting, or ultimately as a bonus trophy. You come along, you shoot a male, you've been such a good client, I'll throw in this female for free. That happens often. Definitely in my mind's eye, especially where they were destined for a bullet. The truth be known is that there's far greater problems facing lions out there